behind the journey behind the falls. That's like a viewpoint.
I'm glad I came in winters. Seriously.
It looks equally pretty in summer,
Right?
and it looks also equally pretty in the night, especially closer to Christmas and New Year. If you come in the night, there'll be those colored lights that they put up here that will be projected to the falls. The falls will be in different colors.
Oh wow.